If you're working from home or if you're just crafting a sick gaming and media setup, you'll want to invest in some good PC speakers. Whilst quality headphones are a great way to get a fantastic audio experience, it's very liberating to take those cans off and still listen to some stellar sound through the best PC speakers for laptops and desktops. There are thousands of options available for PC speakers on Amazon, and it can be quite difficult to pick what PC speakers to splash out on. That's why we have compiled this list of the best PC speakers for both laptop and desktop computers on Amazon for 2022. 1. Logitech Z407 Bluetooth computer speakers with subwoofer. Our first pick on the list is from Logitech with their latest addition to their coveted Z PC speaker line. The Logitech Z407, despite its modest size that'll look great on even the smallest of desks, packs a great punch. With Logitech's smart digital signal processing, and with its 80 watts peak power, the Z407 produces a characteristically big and beautifully balanced sound. The wireless control pod is wireless and battery-powered and can function up to 30 meters away. Press and spin it to play, pause, control volume and bass, whilst the LED indicator lets you know which input you're using. You've got 3 options for audio input. Connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth, micro USB, and the 3.5mm input. The wired input button on the bottom of the dial switches between the wired 3.5mm and micro USB connections. Quickly switch back to Bluetooth by pressing the Bluetooth button. Unfortunately, unlike older Logitech PC speakers, there is no headphone jack for pass-through, so if you're looking to plug in your cans, you'll need to connect it directly to the PC. 2. Audioengine A2 Plus wireless speaker. The A2 Plus premium powered speakers with high-fidelity stereo sound connect to your music in seconds from any app or device. These are great for your mini home music system that's perfect for your desktop or smaller spaces. These speakers are absolutely tiny, but what they lack in size they make up in punch. Don't let their size fool you, as these little speakers are packed with much more sound than you would expect, able to pump out a big sound that fills the room. The A2 Plus wireless computer speakers are constructed with custom Audioengine components, aramid fiber woofers, silk tweeters, premium Bluetooth apt XHD, and built-in power amps wrapped in precision-tuned, handcrafted cabinets. The A2 Plus wireless computer speakers can easily be connected to your computer, tablet, phone, or turntable. The A2 Plus was designed and is hand-built with the goal of exceeding expectations of both value and performance. Whilst the A2 Plus doesn't come with an included subwoofer, the speakers have a port for you to connect a sub if you have one laying around. If you want a compact hi-fi 3.1 speaker setup, pairing this with a small subwoofer isn't a bad idea. The mids are what shine with these speakers, but even the higher register has a nice, rounded texture to your ears. The bass is not overwhelming, nor is it anemic. You will be shocked to hear speakers this size push out so much air, and so well refined as well. With a list price of $269, these speakers aren't cheap, but for the first foray into hi-fi speakers that happen to be super tiny, these aren't bad at all. 3. Harman Kardon SoundSticks. The Harman Kardon SoundSticks look strange, but they are well regarded as a legend in the PC speaker space for their great sound signature and fantastic fidelity for the price. The Harman Kardon SoundSticks 2 speakers and subwoofer system became a milestone in Harman Kardon's history when it became part of the permanent collection at New York City's Museum of Modern Art. Improving on its famous siblings' pop culture appeal, the SoundSticks 3 system is all that and much more. Powered by a total of 20 watts, 8 full-range transducers deftly fill your room with great sound while increasing power handling and audio output. With less distortion and better sound quality, SoundSticks 3 speakers ensure that you'll hear music or video exactly the way the composer intended. To control these speakers, Harman Kardon has implemented sensitive touch controls for raising, lowering, or muting the system volume. By responding to the gentle touch of your fingertip, this intuitive design feature makes your SoundSticks 3 system easy to operate and keeps this work of audio art in the best possible condition. By aiming sound down instead of at surrounding walls, your subwoofer makes your system less susceptible to adverse room variables, giving you a consistent performance. The subwoofer also has a flared port that reduces port noise during high-volume passages. With a price of $170 for the fidelity and pure art value of these strange but innovative speakers, these are great value and well worth checking out. 4. Edifier R1280T Powered Bookshelf Speakers. The R1280T Powered Bookshelf Speakers has combined a retro look with a modern sense of audio quality. If you're looking for affordable and versatile bookshelf speakers with uncompromising sound, the R1280T bookshelf speakers are your go-to speaker system. The R1280Ts are the first and foremost bookshelf speakers and are designed to be used with turntables for analog listening. However, the retro-style warmth of their sound signature makes them a great choice for PC speakers using the 3.5mm AUX input. They have a fantastic voice and great instrument separation with the large woofer and smaller tweeter. The bass driver adds some extra punch without sacrificing the clarity of the mids pumped out by the woofer. With a staggering 4.7 stars out of 5 in their average customer review ratings, it's safe to say those who love retro speakers adore this hybrid mix of old and new. These are our top picks for the best PC speakers for 2022. What do you think? Did we miss your favorite? Let us know in the comments.